Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to tell you about some of the exciting safety and security features available in new Kia models. I'm standing here in front of a 2021 Kia Telluride, and it's equipped with the UVO Link system. And what that does is a number of things. But in regards to security, if this vehicle was ever stolen, you wouldn't have to guess where it is. Using the app on your phone, you can actually track the location of the vehicle. Also useful in some much less unfortunate situations as well. It also is equipped with ultrasonic rear sensors. Basically, the vehicle can detect if there's any movement inside the vehicle, and if it's locked, for example, it can send an alert to your phone. So for any reason you forgot a dog or someone who shouldn't be left in the car on a hot day, you'll get an alert to your phone. And also, if there's someone more nefarious that shouldn't be in there, and same deal, if the car's alarm ever goes off, it can send a notification to your phone. Conversely, maybe you're parked outside a building, you can see your car, and there's someone who looks like they're up to no good wandering towards it. You can go on your phone and also set off your alarm from your phone. So if you have any questions on this system, just call or stop by today. Russ Darrow, Kia Madison.